Well, ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at is a brand new tank from Canada for the C10 1981. It's a 20-gallon unit and it's empty right now. I'm putting the straps back on it, and I ran into a problem. This ridge here won't allow me to put the tank strap in, reinstall it, because it sticks out too far. So what I ended up having to do is take my persuader here, 1 pound, poundy buddy, and pound down both sides of the tank on this seam, bend it down far enough to where I could get the strap to re-secure. Kind of a problem, but that's what you end up doing when you're refurbishing vehicles. Parts don't fit, you got to make them fit. Thank God I've got the mechanical skill to do it, and this is my friend the hammer. I used some of this silicone self-fusing tape on the handle that had some splinters in it, and it works out pretty good, and I'm one step closer to getting this thing at least back to reinstallation point. And thanks for watching.